Incorporate flashcards into your everyday life. Enhance vocabulary. Improve English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we will be talking about an effective strategy to boost your vocabulary skills, incorporating flashcards into daily routines. This method can make a huge difference in how quickly and effectively you learn new English words. So, let's dive right in. Flashcards are an excellent method to learn new words. Simply put, they are cards that have the word on one side and its meaning on the other. You can add other information too, like an example sentence or synonyms. By regularly reviewing these cards, you're implementing a learning strategy known as spaced repetition. This involves reviewing information at increasing intervals over time, helping to move that information from your short-term to long-term memory. Incorporating flashcards into your daily routine might seem challenging at first, but it can be pretty straightforward. The trick is to find dead time in your day, moments when you're not actively engaged in a task, like waiting for a bus or during a lunch break. These are perfect opportunities to review your flashcards. You can also use flashcards while commuting. If you travel by public transport, carry a small pack of flashcards with you. If you're driving, audio flashcards could be your companion. You can record the word and its meaning, and listen to them during your commute. Mealtimes are another great opportunity to review flashcards. If you're dining alone, pull out your flashcards and review a few words while eating. If you're with others, you can turn it into a fun, educational game. For example, you can challenge each other to come up with sentences using the word on the flashcard. Studying flashcards just before going to bed can also be beneficial. Research suggests that nighttime studying can help with memory consolidation. However, ensure this is a relaxing activity rather than a stressful one. That's it for today's video. Remember, the key to effective learning is consistency. Incorporating flashcards into your daily routine can significantly improve your English vocabulary over time. We hope these strategies will help you make the most out of your flashcard studies. Happy learning!